I found Solid Step on Google. I was looking for a company to redo my stairs, and I started my search on Google, came across them, contacted them, and they came out, gave me a quote, and made an appointment to do the stairs. They recapped the stairs with solid oak, and then the basement stairs, they resanded the solid oak that was already there to match the upstairs and change the spindles as well. The entire process from beginning to end was impeccable. They protected my floors, and they kept my home very clean, and which was very important to me because I currently work from home, so that was perfect. I would highly recommend Solid Step. They did such an amazing job. Anyone that comes to my house admire my stairs, and I would highly recommend them for any job.